how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox on PS5. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, go into settings. Now you want to scroll down until you see accessories. Here choose controller general and make sure here you have the latest version of the software. So here DualSense wireless controller, you want to make sure that this is up to date and also that the controller speaker is set to a high enough value. Once you have verified this, we can go back and open up Roblox. So once you open up Roblox, here you will need to click on the three dots, then go into settings. And from within the settings, make sure cross-platform play is enabled and also make sure that you are not muted on your controller. So if you press on this button, as you can see, we are currently muted. And if it's not lit up, so if I press on it, then you will get the microphone icon in the top right, which means that voice chat is going to work for you. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.